Welcome back, guys. My name is David, and in this video I'm going to show you how I created my own Google Chrome extension. I have never created a Google Chrome extension, and this was my first shot at it, and I'm doing all this using ChatGPT. So let me first kind of just show you how the plugin works. And the whole idea behind the plugin is very simple. I like to see a lot of YouTube videos, but I don't have time to watch all of the videos. And sometimes they eat too much of my time. Sometimes I get stuck in this loop of watching videos and I just keep watching random useless videos. So to help with that, I rather just get a summary of the video, and I'd rather do it really quickly and really easily. So here's how it works. You find a YouTube video you want to see, but not really see. Just get a summary of it. So we're gonna check this guy out named Rob and right click on his video, and there's a little menu that says summarize YouTube video. So what that will do, it will use a Python um, script here that will do the transcribing for me. And then once that gets transcribed, it will send it to Gemma. Let me show you where Gemma's at. Arr. Here it is. I'm using the Gemma 3N, the latest one. It's free to use, so that's why I'm using it. And then after it transcribes it, it will just do a little modal pop-up on my current browser. So I don't have to navigate to a new tab, open a new, nothing. I just have this pop up in front of me, and it actually will just summarize the entire video for me. So this guy does an introduction, tells you why Pandas is good, talks about the data frame, talks about the basic head, tail, info, describes, all the Panda stuff. So this guy seems to have done a pretty good job. He goes to more advanced stuff over here, that query. And yeah, he continues aggregation, merge. And he says he has advanced stuff like rank and clip, and then he tells you. So instead of watching this entire video, this is kind of the summary of it. So if you really wanted to watch it, you know exactly what's in it. And if you just wanted to just get a summary of what it is, maybe this is more appropriate for like non-technical stuff, like if you're watching news stuff, etc. So anyways, so this is a very nice feature that I think should come by default with YouTube, but their plan is to keep you glued to the screen, so this is probably why they don't offer it. But again, you can just right click on any of these videos. Let's pick a smaller one. Like this hour one is probably gonna be ginormous, and it will just summarize it for you. Let's see if there's a small one. Here we go. Stop wasting pandas. So let's see if it works on this one. Right click, summarize. And this lady here, I don't know what her name is, but I just did a right click and then there we go. This is everything she's talking about. The memory footprint, how do you do it? There's the issue, there's the solution. You can specify data types, and there are key takeaway by selecting and explicitly defining data types, you can reduce memory. So this is what this video is about. So do you really want to spend the time looking at the video? Maybe not. So anyways, I will share with everybody the entire chat of my vibe coding, and then I will say, spoiler alert, even though the LLM does generate the code for you, and it's pretty good. It didn't have, I think it had one mistake. Yeah, it did have one mistake, and it wasn't this function. This function was not correctly set initially. Even though I made a few mistakes, I did have to troubleshoot. I did have to write some code. I did have to go through a lot of the similar dev process. But the boilerplate code was generated and I was able to move a lot faster than if I had to do this by scratch. So anyways, Here it is. Take a look at the chat history and let me know what you think.